Okay, good morning guys. Magandang umaga, mayong buntag, ang todos tiris chabacanos, buenas aga. Now I have here a simple activity about my collecting coins. Guys, I will demonstrate to you of what kind of coin is this, or what kind of metal is made is this. So guys, look, this is a coin, 20 peso coin guys. Look very nice, like a silver color at the middle of this. But I will try to put a magnet guys, if this is not a magnetic coin. Now I will demonstrate to you to put a magnet. Look, guys, this is made of iron guys. This is not white. This you cannot save this into a saving bank. Why? This is not. This is a time to become a rusty guys. Why? Because this is made of iron. And this is look, 10 peso coin guys. Yellowish color, seem like copper. I try to put a magnet, if this is magnetic or not. No guys, good coin, this is one also, 5 peso coin. Look, year 1997 and 2005. I will put magnet, if this is a magnetic coin or not. No, very good. Uy, there is some kind of coin here, 1 peso coin, very magnetic. Look, oh. So this is also made of iron. There is a 1 peso here. Look, this is created 1990. Look, 1993. I will put this kind of, if this is magnetic coin or not. No, very good coin. And there is a foreign coin. I will try to put magnet, if magnetic coin or not. Good, very good. Oh, this is kind of coin guys, if you want to save. This is not a kind of coin to save, to put in your saving bank. You buy it anywhere. This kind of coin is good to save, because it not become rusty. Wise, it is made of copper, or I don't know what kind of mineral is this. And this is also, this one, very good to save this kind of coin, because this is not a rusty coin. So thank you for watching, and God bless us.